today we're gonna make our own face masks. You can make these as thick as you want to make them with however thickness of material you want to make it. I just happen to have this material at home and this ribbon for another project I was gonna do. It's really easy. So if you see here, this is a normal face mask, and I cut a just over 8 by just over 5 piece of material. And what I did was I cut out this pattern from it. So I just folded it like this, and I laid this over it like that, and I cut it out like that. And then it looks like this when you do it. So what I did was I flipped it, and I put, with my glue gun, I might have to refill this glue gun right now. I just put a line. Let me add some glue here. That's all you do, and then you just fold it back on itself and try to line it up as best as possible. Line it up. And it's fine if it gets stuck on your fingers. You just want a good seal. Don't burn yourself. Because you can just cut that other part off with the scissors. Go like that. And then you clean it up. Nice and clean, because this side's gonna be on your face. So you don't want any pointy edges. Once you do that, you just flip it, and you already have the basic shape of the mask. See? Then you get a little piece of wire, whatever you have. If you have trash can closers, anything you have, a paper clip, it really doesn't matter. I just used my my gardening supplies. So what you do is, you'll notice one side is more round than the other. That's the side that's gonna go on your face, on your nose. So you just kind of fold it against itself, and you get your little, and you're gonna glue gun it by holding it right there. Line it up and line it up like that. Make sure you want it to be even, because this is what's going to give you that good seal. So that you can actually pinch it against your nose like that. And then you just, again, glue gun it. And you want to make your glue gun dots kind of flat, because it's going to, again, be against your face. So you don't want to leave them nice and round. You actually want to flatten them out. And then I do one in between. Just make sure you flatten it out. If you see that anything is not flat, you just, without pressing your gun, because the tip of your hot glue gun is hot, you just kind of flatten it out like that. Just flatten it out so it doesn't bother your face when you're doing it. And then I just like to put one little line here just to grip my face from the bottom. when it's on. And then while that dries, you just get your ribbon. I'm just gonna choose blue. And you give yourself a good amount if it's not for you. If it's for you, you can kind of size it around your ears. But if it's not for you, you kind of want to make it a little longer so that whoever has it can size it to their own face. So, two. Then you'll notice these tips are pointy. All you're gonna do is, see how this comes down? You're gonna line up your ribbon there with your glue gun. You're gonna put one dab and you just fold this over and line up the line. You can do it again. Line it up with that arch, hold it there, grab your glue gun, put one dot, glue gun back, fold it over, line it up. Do it again. You're gonna line it up there. Grab your glue gun, put one dot. Close it. Grab another piece of string. Line it up there. Close it. And then just do one last pass with your glue gun. Make sure that these things are flat. You don't press on the actual glue gun. You just want to make sure they're flat so that when it's up against somebody's face, it's flat. There, you're done. You just flip it over. You kind of push on that little puff, and then when they put it on, they'll bend the face mask to their face. And there you go. It was that easy. Any questions? Let me know in the comments.